Timothée Chalamet, Pharrell, Nick Jonas, David Beckham, Kanye. What do they all have in common? Well, for one, they're all massive celebrities, but two, their skin looks amazing all the time. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa, and when we see photos of celebrities, we always wonder, how do they look so flawless all the time? Some of them don't even look real. Well, today's video is all about the celebrity skincare secrets, the little hacks they use to be able to achieve clear, perfect looking skin at all times. Starting with wearing sunscreen when going outside. As much as I love the sun, and I really do, it can actually cause a ton of skin damage, to the point where your skin can end up having permanent brown spots. They'll never, ever go away. You can even get skin cancer. Think about that for a second. It's also no secret that the sun prematurely ages your skin. So if you want to look young, if you want fresh looking skin, you gotta stay away from the sun. And if you're planning on being outside for a long time, which we all are this summer, then wear sunscreen, especially on your face. Sunscreen is going to protect you from all of that sun damage. The next hack that celebrities do is actually a thing that they don't do, and that is popping pimples right away. Usually we get a pimple and it sucks, right? None of us want that on our faces, but think of it as a small wound, right? If you're messing with it too much, it's gonna get infected. It's gonna get red. It's gonna get more swollen. One of the things that you can do to make it go away, or at least make it look less swollen or red, is ice it. That's gonna bring that swelling down. That's gonna bring that redness down, and it's going to look less aggressive. Look, I can't tell you how many times I've popped a pimple just because I thought it was ready. You know when he's like, it's ready to come out. It's ready. I'm just gonna do it right now. And then it just lingers way longer than it should have. I always regret popping pimples, so stop doing that. I'm actually about to give you a much better way to handle pimples. I'm about to blow your minds. Tip number 3, that is applying a moisturizer over the pimple. But Alex, I already do that. I apply moisturizer every day. I watch your videos. I know what's up. I'm not talking about any moisturizer though. I'm talking about a tinted moisturizer. That's right, a moisturizer that has a slight tint to it, and it will effectively blend all of that redness, blend in and hide those imperfections on your skin, including pimples, sun damage, fine wrinkles. It's what celebrities have been doing for ages, and we just didn't know. I discovered tinted moisturizer about 4 years ago, and honestly, I'm not even joking, it changed my life. I have to be on camera almost every day, so I want to look my best. Of course I do. And this is the easiest way to achieve that. And guess what? I'm so pumped to announce that Apricot Skincare has now launched our own tinted moisturizer for men. That's right. This beautiful little product right here is gonna change your life. All you have to do is apply a few small dots all over your face, focusing on the parts where you need it most. Like for example, a pimple, maybe your dark circles if you have dark circles, or any spots that you wanna hide. Then just blend it in. This is the most important part. It's also the coolest. Because check it out, the product comes out in this white color, right? But once you activate it, it becomes tinted and it blends into your skin perfectly. And we have 2 shades that cover a lot of different shades. That is light and medium. By the way, I use the medium, especially during the summertime. In the wintertime, when I'm a little bit more pale, I'll probably use the light. And when you're applying, look, some of the guys just like to do a little spot treatment, covering specific spots, but what I recommend is applying a thin layer throughout your skin, because that way you really blend everything in, and your skin just looks more even toned, more even texture. The Apricot Tinted Moisturizer, I mean, it really does a great job of hiding any imperfections on your skin. And if you've never tried a tinted moisturizer before, I'm telling you guys, this is one of the things that you kind of kick yourself later for not trying sooner. I use it pretty much every day if I'm going out, you know, if I'm shooting videos, if I'm on Zoom calls sometimes, if it's important. It really does make a big difference. And once you see your skin with the Apricot Tinted Moisturizer on, you're gonna go, ah, I get it. I understand what Alex was saying now. It's so minimal, so no one else will really notice, but you will. You're gonna see that before and after, and you will have that ah moment. And guys, this product just launched today. So if you order it right now, you're gonna be one of the first people to get it. Click that first link below, get your Apricot Tinted Moisturizer, and see the new you immediately. It's that first link below. The next tip that I have for you is exfoliating every 3 days. Now, I think the biggest thing that you have to take away from this is actually 2 things. 1, do not exfoliate every day. Why? Let me explain what scrubbing your face or exfoliating actually does. You have dead skin cells on your face that have been there for a little while. So the scrub is meant to gently lift and remove all of those dead skin cells or any dirt that's stuck on your face, which means it can be a little bit abrasive. You're kind of like ripping very tiny molecular parts of your skin away. But if you do that over time, every single day, your skin is gonna get pretty red. You're stripping away a little too much. So you have to give your skin some time to heal and create new skin cells for you to then remove those dead ones. So I know it feels really good when you exfoliate, especially with the Apricot scrub. It feels invigorating right away, right? It feels great, but do not do it every day. Trust me, every 3 days is perfect. And the second thing, do not scrub very hard. I know you guys are strong. The reason why we made the Apricot scrub a little bit lighter is because I know that guys tend to go a little bit harder with their hands, but that's only going to damage your skin. Every 3 days, nice and light, circular motions, and it's going to get rid of all of that dead skin, and it's going to reveal brand new, fresh, young looking skin cells, and that's exactly what you need to look your best. By the way, if you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, I mean, I'm dropping bombs. I'm trying to help you as much as I can here on this channel. We talk about everything from men's fashion, hair, grooming, health, dating. It's my job to help you live a better life. So if that sounds good to you, guess what? It is absolutely free to hit that subscribe button. I'm here in my new studio in New York City. I think there's a little bit of an echo still, but we're getting there. We got a lamp. It's progress. We got better microphones now. We're getting there. I'll give you guys a little studio tour as soon as I'm done building it out. The next tip that I have for you is to get a monthly facial. Now, I like to do facials at home. I have like face masks that I do at home, and I like to do them once a week. I skip weeks once in a while. I've been moving, I've been busy, but ideally you want to do a face mask once a week. And you should also try to get a professional facial once in a while. Look, celebrities will do it once a month, maybe once every 2 weeks, because that's kind of like their job. They're supposed to look really good. But for us, you know, I'd say one every 3 months. That is plenty. And what is a facial? A lot of guys are like, what the hell is that? Why would I go somewhere and pay someone to like mess with my face? All they're gonna do is basically cleanse it really, really well. Maybe they'll do some extractions, which is removing any pimples or acne, but they'll do it professionally. You know, it's going to be different. And then they will hydrate your face with all of the oils and all of the good things that your skin needs, and you leave there feeling cleansed and feeling good. So yeah, you don't need to do it every month. Like I said, celebrities definitely do it once a month at least, but if you can do it every 3 months, that is perfect. Next up, cold eye patches. And I mean cold, like leave it in the fridge. And these cold, like the ones that have gel, you know, the eye masks, they just basically add this like really soothing gel to your eyes, especially if you have eye bags. It removes, or at least reduces that puffiness, reduces the dark circles under your eyes. And the cold eye mask specifically is also really good for sensitive skin. And guess what? The skin underneath your eye is actually very sensitive. It's very, very light. It's very thin. So that is why you have to be careful with your eyes. That's why you don't put the same moisturizer that you put on your body or even on your face around your eyes. There's a specific eye cream that you're supposed to use. So keep those in your fridge, and then any night that you didn't really sleep well and you have a big morning or something like that, wake up, put those under your eyes. And trust me, the puffiness is going away and the dark circles are going to be reduced. And this next tip is so easy. Turn down the temperature in your bedroom at night. Why? Because it's known that lower temperature can reduce bloating, and that actually also affects your eyes. Like I said, the cold is going to reduce that puffiness. So if you're sleeping in a colder room, not crazy, all right, you're not trying to get the flu, you're not trying to get pneumonia here just so you don't have dark circles, because you're gonna end up with dark circles anyway if you have pneumonia, right? Isn't that one of the... Anyway, I'm not a doctor. I'm just saying, turn the temperature down, because that will definitely help with the puffiness and the bloating overall. Man, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You know, I remember the first time I tried a tinted moisturizer, like I said, 4 years ago, and I was like, how do guys not know about this, man? Like, we need to, what? We need to bring this out to the masses, you know, because I was using like a girl tinted moisturizer, and it wasn't meant for me. It wasn't marketed towards me. It wasn't marketed towards you guys. Look at this packaging. Look at this. And everything we did with the Apricot tinted moisturizer is for men, made by men, made for men, keeping you guys in mind to solve your problems. I get so many messages about dark circles and pimples and, you know, acne. This is going to help you hide all of that. It's gonna be that first link below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon.